All right, our dough has risen twice, our nice buttered dough. We've got our sausage pre-cooked. We have our tomato sauce, our pizza sauce ready. We got some pepperoni and some sliced mushroom and sliced bell pepper. We're just gonna add that for fun. So let's get that dough. Let's get this dough ready. The first base dough. Slop a bit of flour on our work surface. Be generous, why not? Oh, look at this now. Oh, this is a nice fluffy dough. Oh, scoot. Out of the way, give me the rolling pin. Oh my dough, look at that now. Oh, that looks fabulous. Might not even have to roll it. It's beautiful. Flour on that. Oh, that's fabulous. Oh my goodness. That's gonna be a delicious, a delicious flaky thick crust. Oh my goodness. Never mind the rolling pin, bud. Now remember, we let this dough rise for an hour. We rolled it out thin, about the size of we needed it for the final thing. Buttered it completely, rolled it up, put it in a spiral, and let it rise again for twice. Not pussycat. Ooh, sorry, pussycat. Now, put a bit of flour on the side here. Sorry, that was my cat. One of my cats. Getting curious. Thank you. Now we want to get our lovely 10-inch stainless pan, 2 inches deep. If you have a cast iron pan, yay, use that. If you have, I don't know, a 10 or 12 inch cake pan, these little spring-loaded cake pans, use that. Use what you have. Again, like I say, we're winging it here. And once again, key ingredient, olive oil. Ooh, slop some in there. Rub that around. We're going to coat that pan with olive oil. Or butter. Or cooking spray like Pam or whatever you got. I prefer olive oil, that's just me. Olive oil is a non-stick loveliness, and it also adds a bit of flavor. No matter what you do, you get the flavor in there. So yeah, olive oil. Just wipe that off, hang a sec, rinse it off. Now, one other thing, it gives it a lovely bit of taste, is you want some cornmeal at the bottom of that. Cornmeal. Doesn't matter what brand you got, doesn't matter how much you paid for it, it's the taste we're after, the flavor. So, you want to sprinkle in some cornmeal in there and let it run it around. Just like if you're buttering and flouring a pan. Basically what we're doing is we're coating the outside of the crust, the pizza crust, with cornmeal. To get that extra crunch. Get a nice corn coating on the crust. If you want to get it all the way to the top, that's fine. Not quite necessarily the bottom. It's really where you want to get that flavor in there. The bottom of the crust. Okay, let me just get this out of the way. Put it away later. Okay, so now we have our pizza dough. We want to get that about 2 inches wider, bigger than the size of our pan. We want it to come up all the way on the edges, yeah? So we're going to roll that over over the pan. Oh, ooh, here we go. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Yeah, we're just going to tuck it onto the pan. Get it in there. I'm going to tuck it over the edge. Here you can futz with it a little bit. You can shape it. Get it in there, just over the edge. You can cut off the excess in a minute. We want it in there. We want a nice, good thick coating, thickness of crust in the bottom, the base of the pizza. I don't want it too thin of a crust in the base. Oops. I came apart. Oh well. All right, that's about right. That's good. What do you think? It's good. Oh. Yeah, we got a whole bunch of overlap. That's all right. We'll get rid of that later. Not a problem. Now, one of the key things of Chicago-style pizza is then you got the cheese on the bottom. The ingredients are upside down. So, whatever mozza you have, if you have the fancy, well not the fancy, the real deal, the nice big chunks of round mozzarella or cylindrical mozzarella, slice that nice and thin, put that in there. If you got the cheap bricks of rectangular mozza, slice that, put that in there, grate it. I just happened to buy this local brand. It was half price, so I got a kilo, 2¼ pounds for $10. Yeah. Put in a good layer of pizza of crust in there, cheese crust. You want cheese, cheese good. Oh. Now you want to get in your sausage, your toppings, or your bottomings. You're going to put in some sausage in there. This is the sausage we pre-cooked a little bit earlier. The whole darn thing in there. By the way, this is what was it, 6 sausages, about 380 grams, I think, of sausage. This is 3/4 pound. The whole thing, the whole darn thing is going to weigh several pounds. You know. Pizza like this is like, oh my gosh. Oh my god. Now, more cheese. Why not? Yeah. More cheese in there. Oh, yeah. Now we got our pepperoni. Ooh, that'll be our meat. Yeah. Just slop it in there. Well, slop it in. I like to cover everything, so. Just keep adding until everything's covered nice. Ooh. Hope you like meat. I do. This is a cheap store-bought pepperoni. In the package. Nothing fancy. Didn't get it cut by the butcher or any stuff like that. So, there you go. That works. Cheese? Yes, please. More in there. Ooh. Oh, cheese. Nom. We like our cheese, yeah? There we go. Okay, now, put that on the side. Some more flips. Put that in there, okay. Straight cheese, get that in there. Flour on the table here. Do the secondary crust. Nice. And more flour so it don't sticky. This one we just want to spread it out or roll it out to where it just fits in our pan, yeah? That looks about right. Get that in there. See that? Yeah. Get that in there. Ooh. Get that tucked in. We don't want to push down too hard on it because we want to squish the cheese. We want the cheese to be able to move around and bubble around and fill up all the little nooks and crannies in there. We do want to pinch some little holes in there. Tear some holes so steam can escape and sauce can bubble down in there. Because this is where the sauce is going. Remember we said the Chicago style pizza is like upside down? You get upside down, inside out, backwards. Sauce goes on the top instead of on the bottom. Go figure. And there's our sauce. Ooh. That's a delicious chunky sauce we made earlier. Throw it all in there. Get your hands dirty. Oh my goodness, look at that. Spread that around with what? Spoon? Okay. Grab a spoon. Just spread it. Yeah, hi kitty. Just spread that in there. Ooh. Oh my. Oh my. I should have cut the dough out first. Oh well. Anyway. Get to that in a sec. There. Now, because I'm an artiste, you put on some pepper rings. Hi kitty. Apologies if I talk to my cats while I'm cooking, sorry. And we had our mushrooms, make it birdie. Final touch. Yeah. A little bit more mozzarella. Because muds are good. We're putting on a few pounds tonight. Look at this, yeah. Hi, kitty. Oh, pizza. Ooh. And just for funsies, a little bit of Parmesan. You can get the cheap ass store-bought stuff. Grated Parmesan. Or buy some fresh and grate it yourself. It's up to you. A little tickle of this. Some people will put the Parmesan, will dust the pan itself under the crust with the Parmesan. I prefer the cornmeal. That's just me. If you want to dust the pan with Parmesan cheese instead of cornmeal, go for it. Now, to get the crust nice, if I had not put the ingredients on there first, I would just use a rolling pin and drag it along the top. And since I put the ingredients in there, I'm just going to get a pizza knife, pizza cutter, and just pull it across. And take it off nice. Yeah. Bit of it. Yeah, why? Silly. I'm off nice. Hi, kitty cat. I don't know if you can see my cat on the side there. One of my cats. Now we're just going to pull this in a little bit. Tuck it in so that sauce doesn't boil over into the oven. Because that would make a bloody mess. I don't want that. There we go. Final touch, if you want, you can just, oops. If you want, you can just coat the exposed crust with a little bit of oil, or not. I like to do that just for funsies. Put a bit of oil in this bowl, doesn't matter. Get our brush, where's our brush? A little bit of oil on that exposed crust. It doesn't burn. and it goes into an oven preheated to 400 degrees for about a half hour. Huh? Now, seeing as I'm a dummy, I didn't preheat my oven, so I'll do that and we'll be right back. Alright, the moment of truth. Look at this now. Oh my goodness. This is 10 inches diameter, 2 inches thick, my gourd, chock full of cheese, sausage, pepperoni, mushroom, peppers, our homemade sauce, with 2 layers of the flaky, delicious flaky dough. We got our oven preheated to 425. In she goes. That's hot. And we got a little cheese donut. Made with the leftovers. Why not? Just for fun. Throw that in there too. Boom, boom. 30, 35 minutes. We'll see how it goes. Check back in later.